Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about for loop in Python. The for loop is a powerful tool for iterating over a sequence of elements. Let's dive into the syntax and explore how for loops can streamline repetitive tasks in our programs. Okay, so we are going to look at basic for loop. I'm going to create a list of numbers. Okay, numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's iterate through each number with the help of for loop. For numbers, for num in numbers, print num, and we should be having 1 till 7 printed out on console. Let's quickly run this. Alright, this was a very basic example of for loop. Now we are going to look at for loop with range. Let me remove it. For I in range. Okay, we can say 10. Print I. Let me quickly run it. Okay, so we have this number from 0 till 9 printed out on console, and it always starts counting from 0. That is why 10 is not printed out. So the range function generates a sequence of number from 0 to 9, and the for loop iterates over these numbers, and the print statement displays each number during each iteration. All right, now we are going to look at an example with strings. Okay, let's quickly remove it. I'm going to create a variable. It is going to hold a word computer. Okay, now we are going to iterate through each letter in computer, and each letter should be printed out on console. Okay, let me quickly run this piece of code. Okay, so we have computer printed on the screen. So this is how we work with strings. Now we are going to look at how to work with dictionary, right? Let me quickly remove it, and we are going to create a dictionary. Alright, so we have this dictionary holding some names with certain numbers. Okay, so we are going to create a for loop for student grade, student grades dot items print student this is our very short code, a few lines of code. So this is going to iterate through this dictionary item, and it is going to be printed on the screen, right? The value will be printed on the screen. So now I'm going to explain, and I'm going to break out this code for better understanding. Okay, so student underscore grades, this is a dictionary that holds the names of students as keys and their corresponding grades as value. So keys here will be Alice, Tom, Alex and Charlie, and value will be 95, 85, 90 and 70, right? And this piece of code, so this piece of code is going to iterate through the dictionary, right? And this loops iterates over each key value pair in the dictionary. And student grades dot items returns a view object that displays a list of dictionaries key value tuple pairs. Okay, and student and grade are the variables that will hold the key and value respectively for each iteration. Okay, now if I print it, it should be printing. All right, so this is how we got the outcome, and so we are going getting the student's name along with the grade, right? And we have added a line as well. Student Alice has got 95. So this is how we can iterate through a dictionary item with the help of for loop. Now, alright guys, so now we are going to create a very practical example where we are going to calculate the total price of items in a shopping cart. Alright, so first I'm going to write down the code, and then I'm going to break it down step by step. Alright, so this is SHOPPING shopping cart. Alright, now it's going to hold some value, 25.25, 2.15, 35. I'm just picking it randomly, 95.4, 15.99. Alright, so we have this list. It is holding some prices. Now I'm going to create a variable total price. Alright, and I'm going to initialize the total price as 0. Now we are going to iterate over each item in that list, and for price in shopping cart, total price equal to price. Okay, print if total price of items in the shopping cart total price if got it. This one, yep, now it should be fine. All right, now I'm going to break it down step by step for better understanding. So first of all, we create a list that is called shopping cart that contains the prices of items in the cart. Now we are going to initialize the price and we set it as 0. Then we are going to iterate over each item price. Okay, now we use a for loop to iterate over each price in the shopping cart. For each iteration, we add the current price to the total price. Now we are going to print the total price, and the loop has finished executing. We print the total price using an F string, and the .f format specifier ensures that the total price is displayed with 2 decimal plus places. Alright, now I'm going to run this program and we should be getting the total price of items in the shopping cart is 223.02. Alright guys, so this is how we use our for loop in Python. For loops are a versatile way to iterate over sequence of elements in Python, whether it is a list of numbers, characters in a string, or key value pairs in a dictionary. For loops make our code concise and efficient. Alright guys, see you in the next chapter. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.